Hi everybody, here goes number 2 of the Pyrocasts. I hope you are enjoying this and have fun and have ideas and do wonderful things. Have a great week.
Funtastic Mondays.
Hi everybody, welcome to another Fantastic Monday. So, how was your weekend? Was it fantastic? Well, I hope so. So, what have you dreamed of doing today? Well, just in case, I'm gonna give you some extra ideas so you can have fun. This week, I found out an unusual gathering. It's the National Cowboy Poetry Gathering in Nevada. Have you imagined cowboys and poetry together? This is inspiring indeed. And what is this all about? Well, mainly it is the result of nights spent around a good open fire, telling stories one another, and this ends in this particular situation in beautiful tales. I would sure love to hear them. Now, with this, I can imagine a book with characters coming out of it, or even the cowboy image itself. The boots and the hat could be a beautiful subject to burn. Another beautiful and amazing event that I didn't know existed is Up Heli Aha Festival. This event happens every last Tuesday in January, every year in Scotland. It's a Viking heritage celebration, a festival that happens since 1880. It's a full day of activities that include a series of marches and visitations, culminating in a torch-lit procession and the burning of a galley. Have you imagined? Their fabulous outfits, the full performance, the choosing of characters, this all requires several months of preparation. Don't you wish you knew about this sooner? Well, I do. This inspires us in so many ways. Today is the last day of the Jaipur Literature Festival in India. It's described as the greatest literary show on earth. It's a sumptuous feast of ideas from India and abroad, and it's totally free. This is an annual event that goes beyond literature. It gathers performing arts and visual arts, and it brings together a diverse mix of the world's greatest writers, thinkers, humanitarians, politicians, business leaders, sports people, everyone on one stage. And it all takes place with the DG Palace Hotel as a backdrop. Have you seen pictures of this place? Well, you should. Well, India itself is a feast of ideas. The buildings, like this beautiful hotel, the fabrics, people themselves are so inspiring. Now for the tips and tricks. The favorite tip. This is something very personal. This means that other person's favorite tip, meaning the tip that works best for almost everything, does not have to be your favorite tip. This is a very personal choice related to the connection each one of us feels about a certain tip, how we use it and how it works for each one of us. This connection is achieved by using and testing different tips in different situations. And like me, there are lots of other artists that work with 1 or 2 tips only. But this does not have to be your case. The other thing I want to talk to you about is to make a tonal value chart. This has 2 good sides to it. On one hand, while you're building this chart, you're also practicing and getting to know your tips and how they react at a certain temperature. Remember that this changes with the type of wood you use. They will burn more or less according to the wood's hardness. Harder wood requires more temperature for the same result. On the other hand, you'll get a reference chart that you can consult at any time, saving you time because it will give an idea of what tip to use at what temperature for the work you're doing or want to do. Well, I hope this has given you something to start, has been inspiring and fun. Remember Oscar Wilde's sentence, "Life imitates art more than art imitates life itself." So what do we have to do? Give life some inspiration. Let's get to work, everybody. Have a wonderful day and a great week. See you all in next Funtastic Monday cast, where your Mondays will never be the same.
Funtastic Mondays.